To take out the old HD touchscreen, unplug your bike. Unplug the two cables from the HD touchscreen. Remove the knobs of the Peloton logos from the back of the HD touchscreen. Pop off the panel on the back of the HD touchscreen. Unscrew the 4 screws and remove the HD touchscreen from the handlebar neck. It helps to have a second person for this. Set the old touchscreen gently aside. To put on the new HD touchscreen, place the new HD touchscreen and reattach the 4 screws. Put the panel back on the back of the HD touchscreen. Push the knobs back into place with the Peloton logo facing right side up. Plug both cables back in. Plug in your bike and turn it on.